In this video you will learn tracking a picture frame in Nuke. So I will create one tracker over here and create point and track it. So next time I am going to again add with the alt control key, hold down and create tracker 2. After this I will creating one new, that is my tracker 3, with hold down control key and drag it here, fix your point and track reverse. And it doesn't matter if you are tracking from the last frame and first frame. So now I am going to again create a tracker 4. And once I complete this, so second stage I will select my tracker over here and create one crop node, just like Photoshop. I'll create here rectangle draw node, and you can select any of the area which you want to be project on the frames. So once you select your area and go to output option and select here alpha, and I want to be crop this, so here I'll add a pre-melt node, pre-melt node. So now you can see my image is cropping. The second things I am going to create here, that is my corner pen, 2D corner pen. For that I have to be select all the trackers and hit the create tab to create a corner pen tab. In the from tab you need to be paste here rectangle value with the expression. So I'll write down here some expression and you need to be follow the same. So in the corner pin tabs I am I specify the value of the rectangle draw area x. So I'll need to be rectangle 1 dot area dot x. Same thing in y axis, and here I change the y. So you can see here the point is snapping to the image. You have two options. Either you can join by expression, either you can press the option set input. I will show you both. So I will expand my image according to frame of the image, and now in the rectangle area I want to give some softness into the edge. So you can see here, and one more thing I add here, that is blur, for matching the camera blur. Sorry, it's maybe to let it 1. And you can also disable your wireframe with the hit key Q twice. So in next video I will show you how to reflection map on the frames.